In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can buy things from Amazon with PayPal. Now, usually you can only buy things from Amazon with debit or credit card, but here's how you can buy stuff with PayPal. It's really easy, and we'll just jump into it right now. If this video does help you out, make sure you leave a like, subscribe, and also comment down below and let me know, and let other people know that this actually does work. So currently on Amazon, whether this be Amazon.com, Amazon.co.uk, you can't actually use PayPal as a payment method. So the workaround is to actually go and buy an Amazon gift card, which you can then load onto your Amazon account, and then you can use it like you normally would do if you were using credit or debit card. So the best place to buy Amazon gift cards with PayPal is this website. So go to Google and type in Dundle, and we're looking for Dundle. Now, I have no affiliation with Dundle. It's just a website that I've used to buy Amazon gift cards with. Now, you can see, right, it's basically a website where we can buy different gift cards. You want to hover over gift cards, you want to go to Amazon, and here you can choose what Amazon store you want to buy the gift card for. So in my case, I'm going to choose United Kingdom. You can also do US and all of the different Amazons. Now, here you can see we can buy a £5 Amazon gift card for $6.17, which works out around to be $5. Now, we can click order, and I've already got something in my shopping cart, so I'm going to get rid of one of them. So I'm going to remove this one. Now, Dundle is going to put a service cost on this, but this is the only website that I found that accepts PayPal, and it's literally the only way you're going to be able to pay with PayPal on Amazon. So once you've got your item in the basket, we can click checkout. I'll do this live and I'll show you that this does work. So I'm going to send my code to my email address. I'm going to click on checkout. I'm then going to pay with PayPal. So you can see there's a bit of a fee. It's going to cost me $8.56 to get a £5 Amazon gift card. So we can click checkout. You can also pay with cryptocurrency and Bitcoin and things like that. But again, we're interested in PayPal. So I'm now going to log into my PayPal account here. And I'm going to pay with my PayPal balance. We're going to click continue. And now we're going back to Dundle and the purchase is going to be complete. So that's pretty much all you have to do. Now we're going to get an email with the Amazon gift card code, which we can then go and load to our Amazon account. Now I'll show you that email just to show you that this does work. But I'll also show you the Dundle reviews. Now the reviews on Trustpilot are 4.1 stars out of 5 stars. They've had 1,800 reviews. So it is legit and it is working. So here's the email that I've been sent by Dundle. I can now click collect products and we should now see the code that we've just brought. So here is our Amazon gift card and here's the code. I've obviously got to blur this out because I'm going to add this to my account in a second. But that's how you can do it, and then what you can do is use this gift card balance to pay for things on Amazon. So that's how you can use PayPal to buy stuff on Amazon. Yes, there is a little bit more of a fee, but it is worth it if you don't have a bank account. I hope that helped you out, guys. If it did, make sure you leave a like, subscribe, and comment down below if this worked for you. Cheers, guys, and I'll see you all in the next one.